Look at the problem, 10th one. Again, it's a problem asked in mains 2017. And here for the problem, 2x is given, y power 1 by 5 plus y power minus 1 by 5. We need to establish a relation between y, dy by dx, d square y by dx square along with these coefficients. From there, get the values of lambda and k. You need to mention lambda plus k as your answer finally. Okay. So now look at this. 2x is equals to y power 1 by 5 plus y power minus 1 by 5 is given. Since 2x is equals to y power 1 by 5 plus y power minus 1 by 5. First differentiate everything with respect to x both sides. If you differentiate with respect to x, 2x the derivative is 2. Coming to y power 1 by 5. What is the derivative? For y power 1 by 5 the derivative is 1 by 5 into y power 1 by 5 minus 1. Okay, just like n into x power n minus 1. 1 by 5 minus 1 is minus 4 by 5. Okay. This is the derivative for this y power 1 by 5. Coming to this y power minus 1 by 5, the derivative is minus 1 by 5 into y power minus 1 by 5 and minus 1. It becomes like minus 6 by 5. Derivative for the first part, derivative for the second part, and all together with the derivative of y with respect to x. Now, that implies 2 is equals to. You just collect 1 by 5 and then see, this is y power minus 4 by 5. I am going to write this as y power 1 by 5 just as given in the problem. So I am just collecting 1 by 5y common from these two parts. So now this becomes y power minus 1 by 5. No, just 1 by 5, right? Y power minus 4 by 5 is y power 1 by 5 by y. Minus y power minus 1 by 5 into dy by dx. Is it clear? Just observe this. Y power 1 by 5 minus y power minus 1 by 5. This is given as 2x, but this is along with a minus sign. We need to write like this. 2 is equals to 1 by 5y into square root of, this is y power 1 by 5 plus y power minus 1 by 5 whole square minus 4. Just like a minus b, here we need to express in terms of a plus b, that a minus b is square root of a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Here 4ab is just 4 into dy by dx. Now, that implies 2 is equals to 1 by 5y into root of, this is what? 2x, right? 2x whole square is 4x square minus 4 into dy by dx. Finally, root of 4x square minus 4 generates 1 2 out. So what we have? 5y is equals to root of x square minus 1 into dy by dx. We have this now. See, since it is a relation between dy by dx and y, mark it and again differentiate it with respect to x to get the second derivative and this relation. First of all, just copy this till now. This is given. Just differentiate both sides with respect to x, simply using the derivative of y power n as n into y power n minus 1 into dy by dx. We have this relation. Rewrite this expression taking as a minus b in terms of this a plus b. So after that, we reach to this relation. Okay, just copy this. I will continue from here. So to establish this relation from here, again differentiate both sides with respect to x. So 5 into derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx is equals to, this side we have product of two terms. First term root x square minus 1 into derivative of the second part, which is d square y by dx square. Okay, plus second term dy by dx into derivative of this root x square minus 1, which is 1 by 2 root x square minus 1 into derivative of this x square minus is 2x. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So we need x square minus 1 into d square by dx square. So multiply everything with what? Root x square minus 1. So this implies 5 into root x square minus 1 into dy by dx is equals to x square minus 1 into d square y by dx square plus, since we multiplied with root x square minus 1, it becomes x into dy by dx. Now you just have a look. This x square minus 1 into d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx is the required part. And in the left side, 5 into root x square minus 1 into dy by dx we have. This root x square minus 1 into dy by dx is again 5y. Replace it with 5y. 5y into 5y is 25y. Send everything this side. So finally we have x square minus 1 into d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx minus 25y is equals to 0. Compare this final relation with the given relation. You will get lambda is equals to 1. X dy by dx, lambda x dy by dx. Given ky, we have k is equals to minus 25. Lambda and k we have. Lambda plus k is minus 24. There ends the problem. Okay. Copy this.